Hey guys, this is Drew here from Colton RV and Marine, and today we're checking out the 2024 Imagine 17 MKE. This is one of our leftover 2024 models. There's a lot super fun packed into it. So we're gonna go around the outside, then we'll go inside. So we're gonna start up here at the front. You have this super large pass-through. It's got a motion sense light, so if I stick my hand in there, the lights turn on. It's got this tough flex flooring in there too, so your chairs won't scratch up the regular flooring that's in here. Super nice open area. Over to the front up here, you got your standard power tongue jack with its little light on it. So if we turn it on, you can see the little light so you can hook up at night. You also have your standard tongue, chains, 7-way, all the usual stuff for a camper. Two 20-pound propane tanks, and if we unscrew these little knobs here, pop this open, you can see your 2 tanks in there. There are tank gauges on these, so you can see that these are all the way up to full already. And if you reach your hand down in here, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a little tank switch in here, so you can switch between the two. It's just a little lever in the front. Behind that's where your battery is going to sit. Then along the back side here, Grand Design gives you a great all-in-one utility center here. There's a grommet so you can pull your hose up through. City water goes in there. If you want a tank fill, you just switch it to tank fill. You also have your battery disconnect and your solar disconnect. There is solar on this. You have about a 200-watt panel on there. That'll keep that battery charged to keep the fridge running longer, keep all your lights on. Moving past the slide here, we have our dump valves. So this is just a single dump. You have your black handle on this side, your gray handle on this side, and then just your standard outlet port there that all the stuff comes out. Above that, you do have a black tank flush. What this is a sprayer at the top of your black tank so that you can add just fresh water here when you're dumping. It'll spray all the gunk off the sides, make sure it comes out nice and clean. Next, pointing out the wheels here. So you do see the calipers on these are red. So that means that this is enabled with ABS, and this is such a small camper, but it is still dual axle, so you'll have such an easy time going down the road. On the back side here, we have our ladder. This is rated for 300 pounds. This is a fully walkable roof, so you can get up there and check your seals, check everything else that you might need, and they put the power cord in the back here. It's better than being on the other side, gives you plenty of space to go either way, depending on where your plug-in is. And then also back here is your Furrion tankless hot water. So this is great. Make sure you can take a long shower in there if you're hooked up to city water. You won't run out. It'll be super nice. Now, a few things on the front campsite here. If you look above us, we have a black awning. Black awnings don't get stained like white awnings. So this will make sure it stays longer. Also, black absorbs heat better, so it'll be cooler down on your campsite. And also you have a potable water fill. So if you don't have a hose and fresh water, you just have regular jugs of water, you can just open this up, pour them in there, make sure your fresh tank is still filled. Let's head inside. Now that we're inside, you can see that this is a small camper, but there's so much space in here. It is a 1-slide unit. It opens up that floor plan really nice. You can still get to the bathroom when the slide's in, so it'll be perfect for traveling. This does have a Murphy bed. You get a couch here during the day with cup holders. And then at night, when you're ready to do your Murphy bed, it's super easy. I'll do it one-handed to show you guys. Take this, roll it down. Then there's a little safety pin up here. Release that safety. And just as easy as that, your bed's down. If I can do it with one hand, you guys can do it with 2. So also in here, you do have reading lights. They have a blue setting and a regular setting. And then you also have cubbies in here for your phones or tablets or anything that you take camping. There's a plug and USB plugs in there, so you'll make sure to keep everything all charged up. Now to put it back up is just as easy. Lift this up, get your little safety lock in there, and then one-handed, roll the couch back up. You're ready for the day. You get storage on both sides. These are pretty deep cabinets, and they have a little hanging rod in there. You can fit a full-size shirt in there. It will hang. A few drawers and cubbies, and then cubbies underneath here. There's a lot of storage for a small camper. If you look above us, Grand Design did this new thing in 2024 with the LED lights. They've done strip lights. Now these are really, really bright, but they are on a dimmer switch, so you can just dim them down. You don't have to worry about it blinding you every time you walk in here. Over on this side, you do have a theater seat set up. We have it set up with a little bit of a display with the cup holders down, but you can lift that up so you can have a full bench. These do have a heating and a massaging feature to them, and they also have pretty cool LED lights that come underneath them. Because you don't have a dinette in here, they do give you this indoor-outdoor table. If you guys get a new one, it's underneath the bed. That's the perfect storage for it. It's where it comes from the factory. This can go up another level. You can take this inside, outside, and it's the same as the countertop, same material. So it feels really good, really high quality like Grand Design does. On this side, you do have your entertainment center. This TV is on a swing arm, so you can angle it towards the bed if you're laying in bed and still want to watch TV. Kitchen area, this has a lot of counter space. You do have your regular farm style sink, stainless steel with your pull down faucet, your oven and 3-burner cooktop that just rolls up. And then above us here, this is where your analog panel is. You can see the switch for the lights with the little dimmer next to it. Also your awning control, your slide control, your water pump, all the stuff that you're gonna need to go camping. They added these glass fronts for 2024 with the real wood, so it makes it look really clean, really high quality. Back over this way, above the oven, you do have a hood vent. This has a light and a fan. Also your microwave, pretty small, but it'll get the job done. More cupboards back here. And then your 12-volt fridge. This fridge is 12 volts, so it'll run just off the battery. Also, the solar panel will keep the battery charged to make sure this is running longer. Look how much space is in here, though. This is a huge fridge for such a small unit. And you get a dedicated freezer that's just as big. Another thing that Grand Design likes to do is they don't like to cut holes in the floor. So if you guys will notice, there's no floor vents in here at all. They're all tucked up in the sidewall. There's one here, there's one up there. So it'll make sure to keep your heat going, and the pet hair and the dirt and the dust from camping won't get in there, and you'll never get those out. So you do have one last area in here is the bathroom. On the left, you have your shower. This shower's just got a squeegee door, so that just pulls across. Water squeegees off when you're done with it. A stainless steel sink. Tons of cupboards and storage and towel storage all the way to your right. You do see your porcelain toilet, much better than the plastic ones they give you. Above the toilet, you do see you get a towel rod and a place to hang towels. Thanks for walking around the Imagine 17 MKE with me. This is the 2024 model. If you guys have any questions about it, you can call me directly at 716-694-0188, extension 469. Thanks, guys.